Hi, if you are considering opening a bank account outside of your home country, this episode is for you. Let's talk about how you can open an account in Switzerland quickly and safely. Over the past few months, many of you have been asking how to open a private investment account in Switzerland. In just the last 2 months, we have received requests to open businesses' bank accounts summing up over 100 million euros. Well done! It's about time. For those of you who are not comfortable with political risk in your home country, it's time to move forward. 4 years of war in Ukraine should have taught us something. If this topic interests you, subscribe to my channel and stay up to date. Did you know that Ukrainian companies today, in the 4th year of Russia's invasion, still have to justify to the officials every time they make an international payment? Ukrainian businesses are having their foreign payments blocked now in December 2025. Did you know that some entrepreneurs in Ukraine have had their entire bank accounts frozen for reasons that have nothing to do with legal violations? In the same time, we have so many queries from other directions, like from America, from Americans who aren't comfortable with the current political changes in the US. Maybe it's time for you to stop hesitating about opening a bank account abroad for yourself or for your company. Maybe you should even consider moving your business abroad altogether or part of your business. Don't wait. Protect your and your company's money. And let me explain how to open a bank account as quickly as possible, using Switzerland as an example. The easiest account to open is a personal bank account. My record time so far is only a week. If your funds come from a business, the bank needs to understand what your business does. This can take a few weeks, depending on how complex your company structure is. Once bank compliance team understands the nature of your operations, you get the green light and can sign the agreement. That's the moment your money becomes safe. You can transfer it to the account abroad. It's similarly simple to open an account for investment or holding companies. If the company's purpose is to receive dividends and invest extra surplus in financial markets, it's an ideal client for a Swiss bank. However, again, the bank must understand the source of those dividends, meaning what your underlying company do, where the profit paid to your holding or investment company come from, and so on. This process typically takes from a few weeks up to 2 months. So, when does it get difficult? It gets difficult when an operational company wants to open an account. In the last 2 months, I have received several calls from operating companies in Europe to open the safe bank account in Switzerland. Some companies listed on the stock exchange want to move their excess funds to foreign accounts. The goal is not a tax optimization, but simply safeguarding business liquidity in case of geopolitical crisis. And believe it or not, we are getting refusals. Banks do not like operating companies. I eventually managed to find a bank willing to accept such company funds, but even locating one took me several weeks. Now we still have to go through the compliance process. This week, we got refusal to open bank account for the client involved in crypto. When you have investment in crypto or you do business using tokens, you should take special care about to whom you should talk to have your bank account open successfully. So don't wait. This takes time. Depending on how complex your business structure is, you should allow yourself 3 to 4 months for this process. If you start now, it's December 2025. Then by April, May next year, you might have an account opened. So don't wait. The second difficulty comes from the timing of when you decide to open an account abroad. The worst thing that happened at the moment of the invasion of Ukraine was the panic and the sudden rush to open Swiss bank accounts by practically everyone. That's when queues form and account opening times become much longer. This is why you should do it now. And if you don't know where to start, call me. We will help you.